Now, amid Omicron spread, the Tamil Nadu Health Minister has questioned the centre over genome sequencing, saying the serious delay in the genome test results are there from the centre. He's also added that the state has raised the issue of pending approval to their own genome sequencing test lab with expert teams which visited the state. My colleague Mugilan now joins me live on the broadcast for more inputs on this story. Now, Mugilan, as we talk about more and more Omicron numbers, now the Tamil Nadu Health Minister has gone ahead and questioned the centre over genome sequencing. What more can you tell us here?
From September onwards, Tamil Nadu has its own genomic sequencing lab, and in that lab, 150 samples can processed every week. With this facility, now the Tamil Nadu Health Minister says even though they genomic sequence the estrop samples and have the results, they say that as the Union Health Ministry have not given necessary approvals for the lab which sits here in Chennai, they have to send the results to NIV testing facilities in Pune, and they are waiting for the results for them to approve is what we are hearing from the Health Minister. And he also adds that in most cases, that is till today, the results for the genomic sequencing have been received to the state on the day when several patients got recovered and discharged from the hospital. And he also says that there is a serious delay in notifying the states about the genomic sequencing lab. And today, when the medical expert team which have come from the Union Health Ministry met the state health department officials here in Chennai, this was communicated to them. The health minister have personally asked the Union Central team to grant necessary approvals for the genomic sequencing lab in Chennai. So the Tamil Nadu state government itself, then and there, they can test the result and announce it, is what we are hearing from the health minister. And as I said earlier, since September, this Tamil Nadu state government have sought necessary permission from the Union Health Ministry, but so far the permission has been not given, is what we are learning from the health minister and from the several health department officials here in Tamil Nadu.
Right, Mugilan, stay on with me. We need your inputs on more breaking news that is coming in. Now, Tamil Nadu Health Secretary has raised major concerns over passengers who are travelling from non-risk countries, saying that they are not following the self-isolation norms. Chennai has been witnessing a steady rise in new COVID cases in the last 10 days. Though the positivity rate in the city stands at 0.9%, it continues to inch upwards. The authorities have ramped up COVID testing to identify the new cases at the earliest, and all private hospitals have been asked to monitor symptoms of the patients.
Countries termed as non-risk, those who come out of the 2% category, they are supposed to do self-monitoring. That is why, in anticipation of Government of India approval, we are telling them also to be on home quarantine, because we had a case where an individual has gone to 10 places and then turned S-gene positive and Omicron positive also. So arising out of him, we are getting cases. So these are the things, but the silver lining is all these Omicron positive cases are more among the very, very close contact. On extended contacts in Chennai, GH, we did 3,372. So far only 60 positive cases, of which only 42 have S-gene drop, which are sent for genomic analysis.
And Mugilan, my colleague, continues to be with me. Mugilan, now the Tamil Nadu Health Secretary has gone ahead, raised a major red flag, as far as the passengers who are traveling from non-risk countries are concerned, saying that they are not following any kind of isolation norms. What is the state government going to do about it?
Definitely, the most number of Omicron cases that have been reported in Tamil Nadu are from the people who have come from the non-risk countries and their contacts, and that is why we have already seen the Tamil Nadu Health Department writing a letter to the Union Health Ministry seeking to widen the testing at the airports who are coming from the non-risk countries, and they have also asked for mandatory self-isolation for the people who are coming from these non-risk countries. With that being in the place, in last 1 week, we are seeing a a very steady rise in the COVID cases here in Chennai, and yesterday more than 164 cases was reported. Yes, even though the positivity rate is only 0.9%, the positivity rate also now going upwards. So now the Tamil Nadu Health Department have taken up several measures, that is including the Chennai Corporation have asked all the private hospitals to asking them to inform them about the people who comes with influenza like illness symptoms. So now the Tamil Nadu state government, the health department have ramped up its testing here in Chennai on every single day. More than 20,000 tests are being done. So with that being the situation, now the health department have said that the people who coming from the non-risk countries and they're not following the COVID norms, self-isolation norms, and that is what have led to the rise in the cases. And he also have said that the people who gathering for social gatherings have led to localized clusters in several parts of the city. So now the health department have once again asked the people, have requested the people to avoid gathering in large number and follow all COVID appropriate behaviors.